Bird flu infections are on the rise, and while it's rare for humans to catch it, the risk is real, especially for farm workers and those with backyard flocks. The virus spreads through bird saliva, mucus, and feces, and can even linger in raw milk. If you're in close contact with sick animals, it's crucial to wear protective gear. Symptoms can include red, irritated eyes, a sign that the virus can affect us too. To stay safe, avoid sick birds, steer clear of raw milk, and always cook your eggs thoroughly. Remember, prevention is key.